On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter. We cannot send a text message to this phone number in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Now on this page, you will find many apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll like this until you find Twitter, click on it. Now all what you want to do on this page is click on the storage. Now this is an important step, so please make sure to click on the clear data, but be aware because this includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, but it will save you. Trust me guys, this option is after deleting the data. You will fix a lot of problems, not only this problem. So click on delete. So after that, you have to open the Play Store and then click on the update right here, as you can see. After you update your Twitter, congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much.